In this fact, we're going to look at something you probably use every day, but might not be using all the features of it: vendor parts. So let's get going. Hey there, Zack from FTx with another quick FTx fact. So first off, what is a vendor part? Simply put, a vendor part is how a vendor references a product. It contains things like a part number, which may or may not be the same as the UPC. It also can be alphanumeric. A part quantity, which is how many of the item I get when I order the part, a part cost, and so on. So vendor parts are used when creating orders and receiving invoices. So that's the basics of them. There's a few other features that you may not be aware of. First, vendor parts can be location specific. If you have parts that you only want a certain set of stores to order, you can assign them that way. Minimum order quantities can be assigned. This is similar to the min levels on products for build to or par level ordering, but they live on the part instead of the product. There's a manual order option. When enabled, the item can be ordered, but only manually, meaning the auto order algorithms will ignore the item, and the item will simply show on the order with a special designation. They can also be flagged as non-returnable, meaning that these parts cannot be added to a return worksheet. So all of these settings are also Pricebook zone specific, so you can mix and match them between your zones. So that's it for vendor part features that you may not be using. Maybe you learned a little bit about something you deal with every day. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care.